everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be cooking pork with bamboo shoot. Do try out the recipe and I hope you will like it. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Here are the ingredients: pork meat, ginger garlic, bamboo shoot, onion, dry king chilli, salt and chili powder. Put the meat in the pressure cooker. And fry the pork meat for 4 to 5 minutes until the meat turns light brown color. Now add 5 spoons of chili powder. Mix it well and fry for 2 minutes. Add onion, ginger garlic, stir it well and fry for another 5 minutes. Add bamboo shoot, dry king chilli and 1½ spoon of salt. Stir it well and fry for another 5 minutes. Add 1½ bowl of water. Mix it well. Cover the lid and let it pressurize in low flame for 1 hour. After 1 hour, let it cool down and remove the lid. Transfer the meat in a bowl. Add coriander for garnishing. Enjoy the pork bamboo shoot curry and thank you for watching.